Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to group two rectangle shape in Excel. Okay, group first of all on, hold control, another shape, go to format tab, align, center. Now group. Okay, and another way to hold control, select another shape, go to format tab, align, middle, group. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.